Good morning all. Welcome to Conduct Learning, How to Learning with Study, and we are at a chapter Carbon and its Compound, and this is a fourth chapter for class 10 science. And now we are at a topic which is functional group. The functional group of carbon compound. Basically, the atom or a group of atom is known as functional group which change the property of already existing carbon compound. That is known as basically the functional group, and the example of that functional groups are there, which where the first example is here for halide or halo group. Halide or halo group is containing the two different atoms, one is of chlorine and one is of bromine, and this chlorine and bromine when added with already existing carbon compound, it will be change its property also and the name of that carbon compound also. Let's see how it happen. Here, as you can see, the example is taken for chloromethane, and we all well know about the chemical formula for methane, which is nothing but CH4. We all know that in a methane, the number of carbon atom are 1 and number of hydrogen atom are 4. And the structure of methane is like that. C sharing its 4 valence electron with 4 different hydrogen atoms. This is the structure for methane that we have already done in the previous videos. But when the halo group or functional group will be added with that methane, already existing carbon compound methane, then it will be changed its chemical properties. And how it will be changed its chemical properties, and how it will be changed its chemical formula, and how it will be changed its chemical name, let's see. In chloromethane, which the example is given here, in the chloromethane, which formula is CH3Cl, in that chloromethane, the already existing methane containing 4 hydrogen atom, where the hydrogen atom, one of hydrogen atom will be replaced with one functional group. That means to say, the chemical formula for methane is CH4, where the number of hydrogen atom are 4. But here in chloromethane, we will have the number of hydrogen atom are 3, and one of the atom that will be come from the functional group of halide like chlorine and bromine will be come in the existence with already existing methane. So in short, we can say that the one hydrogen atom of methane is replaced with one chlorine atom or one bromine atom here in methane, and it becomes chloromethane. So if we will draw the chemical formula or chemical, you can say the chemical structure of that chloromethane, then it will be like that. The carbon will be share one of its electron with the hydrogen atom, one of the other of its electron with another hydrogen atom, one of the uh, electron with the third one hydrogen atom, and one left electron with the chlorine. So the structure of the chloromethane will be like that, and the name will be as like chloromethane, and the chemical formula becomes CH3Cl. So this is how the chloromethane form, where the methane one hydrogen atom is replaced with one chlorine atom, and this is how the functional group is attached with the already existing carbon compound, and it's changed the property of that carbon compound. The same example for the bromoethane is given here. We all well know that the chemical formula for methane is C2H6. First of all, I should have to rub it to keep a blank space in the slide, so that we can understand about the bromoethane also. So how it is formed and what is the difference in the uh, bromoethane and the ethane itself. Let's see. This space is enough for us. So here we can see in a ethane, the chemical formula is C2H6. C2H6. As we well know that the number of carbon atom in ethane are 2 and the number of hydrogen atom are 6. So accordingly, if one of the functional group is added with the already existing ethane, then it will become like bromoethane. What is happened with the ethane and how it become the bromoethane? Let's see. the one of the hydrogen atom in the ethane is replaced with one of atom of bromine. So when it will be replaced with the bromo atom, then it will become the bromoethane. And how it will be look like? The C2H5Br. So accordingly, the number of carbon atom will be 2, C and C, and the number of hydrogen atom will be 5 hydrogen atom. So these all carbon atom will be shared its electron with the either hydrogen atom with the carbon atom or either with the bromine atom and become a bromoethane. So in that chemical formula, the total number of hydrogen atom are 5, number of carbon atom are 2, and one of the bromine atom. So the bromoethane will be look like this. The structure diagram for the bromoethane will be look like this. In this in these two examples, the carbon having as we know that carbon is having the valency of 4, and it has to share its 4 electron with the atom that is monovalent in nature. So here we took the two monovalent atoms like bromine and chlorine. So accordingly, it will be shared one of its electron with that particular atom, which come under the existence of functional group of halide. So and become the chloromethane or the bromoethane. So this is how it form the chloromethane and bromoethane, and how the functional group is added with a carbon atom, already existing carbon compounds, and change its chemical properties. Another example taken here is for alcohol. The chemical representation, or the you can say the chemical formula for the alcohol is OH. That means to say it contains one of oxygen atom, one of hydrogen atom here, and the pronunciation for the same is ol. So that means to say the pronunciation means to say whatever the carbon compound come, when the functional group of alcohol will be added with it, it will be pronounced with the ol, as the example is taken here for methanol and ethanol. We already know that in a methane the formula is CH4, and here after replacing one of its hydrogen atom of methane with functional group of ol, it will become methanol, and the chemical formula for methanol become CH3OH. The example is given here. We replace one of hydrogen atom of methane with one functional group atom OH, and it will become methanol. And by doing this, carbon share its all 4 electrons with either hydrogen atom or either with ol or alcohol group, so become methanol. The same example here is for ethanol. In ethanol, the chemical formula is C2H6, but we are added the functional group, so that's why one of the hydrogen atom of ethane replaced with OH, and hydrogen atom are 5, and one of functional group is here of OH, and the chemical formula becomes C2H5OH, and the chemical name become ethanol. So this all is coming on the suffix side when we have to name it, like ethanol. All is coming on the suffix side, and the same OH group is also coming on the suffix side. So methanol or ethanol. But as we can see, in the previous example of halide, the chloro and bromo both are coming on the prefix side, but in the chemical formula both are coming on the prefix side, sorry, suffix side. So that we have to take care of that also, where the functional group in the chemical formula coming in the existence, like in the prefix side or suffix side, or when we have to pronounce that name, where it will become, where it will be named, like on the suffix side or prefix side. That we will learn in the next slide or next video. The next functional group is of aldehyde. Aldehyde is represented by CHO. It is a formula for it, and the structure of it is C with double bonding with oxygen and single bonding with hydrogen. Because hydrogen can only share one electron, so that's why there will be a single bonding. But the oxygen here is having the atomic number of 8 and the configuration 2,6. As we well know that the atomic number for oxygen is 8 and the chemical configuration like 2 and 6, K and L, 2 shell having in the oxygen, so that's why 2 will be in the K cell and 6 will be in the L cell. So it having the valency of 2, so it will be share, the carbon will be share 2 electron with the oxygen only. So that's why there is a double bonding or unsaturated bonding between the carbon and the oxygen in aldehyde group, or one covalent bonding with the hydrogen. So carbon now left with the one bond or one electron, that is represented here by this slash, but nothing is written there because it never didn't show to which uh, carbon compound this carbon atom will be make bond. So it will be decided by us कि the functional group is attached to which carbon compound, as the name is written here for methanol. Methane has the chemical formula CH4, but when the aldehyde group or functional group is attached with the methane, so we don't have to take CH4 as complete, because aldehyde group also already having carbon atom with it, and one of the hydrogen atom and one oxygen. So accordingly we have to modify the name of the chemical formula or the structure of the carbon compound when aldehyde will be attached to it or aldehyde will become in the existence with it. So let's see how it is happen. As we all know that the chemical formula for methane is CH4, and methane is containing only the single carbon atom. So this single carbon atom is already there in the functional group of aldehyde. So CH4O is already there. That means to say carbon having already the double bond with the oxygen and single bond with the hydrogen. So it need only the one hydrogen atom to complete its covalent bonding or sharing of its electron through covalent bonding. So we will add just a one hydrogen atom here, and because it only contain one carbon atom, so it is definitely become the formula for methane only. It become the formula for methane only because it's containing the one single carbon atom in it. So accordingly it start with the methane, but because of adding CHO group, or the CHO group is named as Al, so the chemical formula pronunciation will be methanol, because it is for methane, because the one carbon atom is there. Functional group is contained in the name as Al, so the chemical formula pronunciation become methanol for this, and the chemical formula for this is become HCHO. This is for methane. If the same example will be for ethanol, so how it will be right? Let's see. Ethanol is having number of carbon atom are 2, and the chemical formula is C2H6. But already in the aldehyde group there is a one carbon atom, so we need only one carbon atom more. Already there is a one carbon atom and one hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom also, two oxygen atom also, right? So when we will draw its chemical when it will be draw the structure of this ethanol, then how it will be look like, let's see. I need the space, so that's why I firstly rub it. So the aldehyde group already containing the one of the carbon atom, one of the hydrogen atom, one of the oxygen atom. So that's why we already need 3 hydrogen atom more, and the chemical formula becomes CH3CHO. And how the structure diagram will be look like, let's see. One carbon atom is here, one carbon atom is here, and it contains 4 hydrogen atom. One here, one here, one here, and one here, and this carbon atom make double bond with the oxygen, and this will be the structure diagram for this ethanol. So accordingly the carbon 4 electrons, this carbon atoms 4 electron will be shared with this hydrogen, 3 hydrogen atom and 1 with the carbon atom. That means to say first of its electron will be shared with this carbon atom, second of its electron will be shared with the hydrogen atom, third of this electron will be shared with this hydrogen atom, and fourth of this electron will be shared with this hydrogen atom. And this carbon atom will share one of the electron with this carbon atom, two of its electron with the oxygen, and one of its electron with this hydrogen atom. And the structure diagram will be show its complete bonding. complete comment.